Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to my automotive channel. Today we're taking a look at the 1972 Fiat 500R that I bought. This is obviously my latest project, and as you can probably tell if you watch the first and second video, it looks a lot different. It's been fully stripped now. There's not much left to take off it now apart from a few electronic pieces and that, wire and loom, stuff like that. But yeah, in this video we're going to take a look at what needs doing, some of the rust, a lot of the rust, quite a bit in here. So we'll take a look at that. I'll also talk about one or two modifications that's going to be done during the welding process. And yeah, that's basically the plan in this video. So if you haven't already, please remember to like and subscribe. I know a lot of people are really looking forward to this project. So without further ado, let's take a look at what's happened. This is incredibly easy to get out of now. Maybe I should just leave the doors and roof off it. Let's start with the front end. Lights have been taken out, of course. Bumpers, number plate, badge, just needs a bit of a clean up. There was a massive ding in the front, and as me and my friend is just relaxing because we've been working on it all day, we literally sat against the T4 talking to mum and dad up there, and there was a massive bang and it basically popped itself out. We didn't touch it, it just went bing. So that was interesting. We got our numbers there, which is great. I got some paperwork to show you guys as well, which I thought was pretty cool, but I'll do that in another video. I got to remove this hose, remove all this electric here, brake fluid, water bag's already gone, a few other things. The original battery tray is down there. They had placed a man-made one above that, so that's to be removed. Fuel tank's gone, obviously. There was actually no fuel in it, it was like slush. So as you can tell, being in a garage for 16 years, it was only the second time the engine had started up, and yeah, no problems there. It sounded really good. In fact, it actually sounded a little bit better than Yugo's engine over there. But yeah, there's the engine. So I'm putting a 650 engine in, modified 650 engine. So the engine will be coming out next weekend, which I will be filming. Doors are off it now. Doors over there next to the Porsche. Bonnet, the boot is over there too. They've all been removed because, well, one, the bonnet's got quite a bit of rust inside. It's worth just getting a new bonnet, plus I can do some custom jobs to that. The 500R wheels, someone asked me about these last night. Yes, they are 500R wheels, I believe. I won't be using them, obviously. I'm putting, again, own wheels on this. But they're all in pretty good condition. I will give them a clean up. I can't take them off the car, obviously, because we need a rolling chassis. So we will give them a clean up and everything. Right, interior. So everything's nearly been removed. Just that tray to go there. There's a bit of money in there. I found quite a bit of money in this car, which was quite nice. Even though a lot of it's really old euros and stuff like that. And old pound coins that you can't use no more. But it's nice. It's nice to have that bit of history, and I will keep it with everything else that I've had with this car, paperwork and such. You can see it's had quite a bit of welding before. Everything that's green is basically a re-weld, something that's been done. Mainly this right passenger side. So yeah, there's quite a bit to do. It's not as bad as obviously the last one I had. We don't talk about that. But there you go. So pieces like this, I'm already getting it booked in to be done. This over here, a few other places over there. There was a lot of it just needs, well, I'll get a wire brush in here to be honest, and go over it like that. See, little oils you can see right through there to the arch, which is on the other side. But this is perfect. I'm really impressed with how good this is held up. Again, a lot of surface rust, but It's not a problem. And this car will be kept in the dry. Once it's finished, well, during its process actually, it will be right here, which I said before, so that's good. There's this in the A-pillar here. I think it's the A-pillar. I've knocked some of it out. Just have a look. It's not too bad actually. It looked worse than I thought it was. Let me see through the floor there. And here. Bit there. The front's coming off anyway, so I'm not too worried about that. There's quite a bit of rust in that one, especially when you see your feet. If you stand over here, you can see down there. So the front's coming off. These lines will be actually smoothed out, so you won't actually have these lines, which is something I want to do. Just personal reference. So when we put a new front end on, I'll say to him that I want this smoothed out so you can't see the line, which will be quite nice, quite different. And there'll be a splitter going on this and everything. It's, like I said, crazy. Some stuff I got planned. Wide arches. If we look at this side, so there's the wiring loom. The wiring loom's fine. All electrics work. There might be some modifications that need sorting out for some of the other ideas. But there you go. That's the all of that. Floor's quite bad there. So what I'm at the moment, what I'm thinking is, do we just cut the floors out, put new floors in? But I'll go to my guy first anyway, see what he recommends. But there you go. Yeah, it looks pretty good actually. There we go. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. There's the little Fiat. Yeah, I really enjoyed that. So loads of mods, loads of stuff like that. Let me know what you think about those two ideas, the side exit exhaust and the scoops, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.